Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to download a Discord server icon from any server. So first what you're going to do is drag your server up to the very top right here and then hold Control and zoom in. You want to make sure you're also on the Chrome application or your browser application, not the actual Discord app. Then you're going to go into the three dots, then more tools, then developer tools. Once you're here, you're going to press on network and then you're going to press on IMG. And then you're going to press reload page and just give it a few seconds, and as you can see it will give you a couple of images. Just search for the one from the server icon, and once it's here you can open a new tab, and right here you have the image. Then what you want to do is press right click and save image as, and that's how you download that Discord server icon from any server. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.